Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets PayPal tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money in PayPal. So if you're trying to get paid or someone is trying to send you money in PayPal, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily do that. All right, so the first thing we need to do is just ensure that we have a PayPal account. If you don't already have one, simply go to paypal.com and then go to sign up to go through the process of creating your PayPal account. It's very easy. You really just need an email address and a phone number, and you should be good to go. Once you have your PayPal account created, there's really two ways for you to receive money on PayPal. The first is going to be through the email address you use to log into your PayPal account. So when someone tries to send you money on PayPal, they'll just put that email address in and it will go directly to you. Second, you can also share a link that people can use to send you money. And we can find that link on our account by logging into paypal.com, going up to the gear right here, selecting it, and then you will see your profile in the top left under account. And this right here, paypal.me. And as you can see, mine is G Gadgets. When I go to that link, as you can see, it shows my profile so people can identify it as me. And then all they have to do is click send and they'll be sending me money on PayPal. All right, so that's how you receive money on PayPal. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more PayPal tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel Gauging Gadgets for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.